Hi, I'm going to show you the Barkan ceiling TV wall mount line. This line includes several models to answer the need of a ceiling connection when there isn't a wall in the desired location or when the wall isn't compatible for mounting. I'll be using one of our most successful products in this line. On the front of the box, you can see the name of the product along with what it looks like. This particular model is compatible with screens 29 inches to 65 inches and has 3 movements. Also shown are important features such as maximum weight capacity, distance from the ceiling, and more. This particular mount has a telescopic height adjustment to place the screen at the most convenient height. It allows 80-degree rotation right and left, as well as a 25-degree tilt. Inside the box, you'll find complete written assembly and installation instructions, along with all the necessary hardware. The hardware is in divided packaging and marked to correspond to the written instructions, making installation as easy as possible. On the back of the package, there's a lot of technical data, but I want to show you 2 reasons why I believe Barkan's ceiling TV wall mounts are the perfect solution. First, it's our innovation. Most Barkan mounts include a unique patent developed by Barkan. In this product, it's Barkan's patent for various screen types and special structures on the back. The second is a lifetime warranty to take all the worries away. We hope you'll choose our products and can assure you that you will not regret it if you do.